Ever wondered how really big spaces get cleaned? Not your living room, but think warehouses,
Yeah.
factories, even airports.
A whole different ballgame.
Right.
Big.
It is. Today we're diving into the world of industrial floor sweepers.
The unsung heroes of clean.
Exactly. Our source, an online product listing for one of these behemoths. And trust me, it's packed with fascinating details.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so first, let's just try to grasp the sheer size of these things.
Right.
This particular model, it's 2,410 millimeters long,
Whoa.
longer than most SUVs.
Seriously.
Yeah, and 2,000 millimeters wide. Right. I mean, picture this. It could sweep an entire supermarket aisle, one go.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
And think about the efficiency. Instead of multiple passes with smaller equipment, this thing just cleans huge areas super fast.
Speaking of, I'm looking at the cleaning rate here, and it's, get this, 20,000 to 22,000 square meters per.
That's like several football fields.
Every hour. So what's powering all this cleaning power? I'm guessing electric.
Yeah. You got it. This model has 650 amp-hour batteries. Runs for 6 to 8 hours straight.
Full work shift.
Exactly. And of course, being electric, huge environmental plus compared to the old fuel-powered model.
Absolutely. Okay, but I gotta ask. This thing weighs 850 kilograms. How does it even collect all the debris?
Well, it's a ride-on machine. The operator actually drives it.
No way.
Yeah, imagine cruising around a warehouse, keeping everything spotless.
That's gotta be kind of fun.
And for the debris, there's a 200-liter hopper.
A 200-liter hopper.
Yeah, basically a giant container.
It's like a bathtub full of dirt.
Pretty much. And it also has a separate 200-liter water tank. That's for dust suppression.
So as it's sweeping, the water keeps the dust down.
Right. Prevents it from spreading, which is super important for air quality.
Especially in places where dust could be a health hazard.
Exactly.
Makes sense. Now let's talk about the brushes. The main brush, 790 millimeters long.
Almost as tall as you are, probably.
Probably. And it also has side brushes, 450 millimeters in diameter. These are serious cleaning tools.
Oh, yeah. And then there's the vacuum filter. 15 square meters of surface area.
That's a lot of filtering power.
It is designed to capture even the tiniest particles. Clean air, spotless floor.
So that next time you're in a large, clean space, take a moment. Appreciate the marvel of engineering that made it possible.
It really is incredible.
Right, those gleaming floors, they didn't just get clean magically. There's a powerful, efficient, surprisingly sophisticated machine behind the scenes doing the heavy lifting.
And it makes you wonder, right? What other incredible machines are out there, working tirelessly, keeping our world running smoothly, things we just take for granted?
There's a whole world of fascinating technology just waiting to be explored.
Absolutely.
That's it for this deep dive, folks. Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.